My dear students, today I will start integration chapter. The integration chapter has 22 marks. Totally, it has 1 mark, 1 question, 1 mark, 1 question, 2 mark, 2 questions, 3 mark, 2 questions, 5 mark, 1 question, and 6 marks, 1 question. So it is equal to 1, 2 to the 4 mark, 3 to the 6 marks, 5 on the 5 marks, 6 on the 6 marks. So 11, 17, 18 total number of marks is equal to 22 marks. Total number of questions 7. Total number of marks is 22 marks. Okay. So you have to remember your differentiation chapter. You are already learned about differentiation, first order and second order derivatives also. What is the relation in between differentiation and integration is the process of finding derivative of the function is called differentiation, as well as the process of finding antiderivative is called integration. The integration is inverse process of differentiation, as well as the differentiation is inverse process of integration. Look here. Let f of x equal to y, then differentiation of f of x, we can write that is f dash of x. The y differentiation is dy by dx. And it is an integrated symbol. It is an extended form of s. Thus, it is integration of f of x into dx. F of x into dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. Here, small f of x is called as a integrand. Dx is called as a variable of integration. Capital F of x is called as a antiderivative, and c is called as a constant of integration. Here, f of x is called as a integration, that is antiderivative. Antiderivative is also called as a integration. So keep it in your mind. To integrate any function, you have same variable of integration. Otherwise, we can't. If the function is in the form of x variable, the variable of integration must in dx form. If the function is in y form, the variable of integration is in dy form. That means ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ವೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು integration, we remember some standard formula of differentiation and integration. Okay, you know very well, very easiest method of differentiation formula, you know very well. The first one is, it is you have to write here differentiation. Okay, here integration. The first one is, what is the differentiation of x power n? You know very well, differentiation of x power n is n into x to the power of n minus 1. Here integration of x to the power of n into dx is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Here x power n is integrand, dx is variable of integration, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is antiderivatives, plus c is called as a constant of integration. The second one formula, you know very well, differentiation of x is always equal to 1. Integration of 1 into dx is always equal to x plus c. Okay, na? Next, differentiation of log x is equal to 1 by x. Here, integration of 1 by x is equal to log modulus x plus c. And the fourth one, differentiation of e power x is equal to e power x. Integration of e power x into dx is equal to e power x plus c. Here, the function e power x we can differentiate and we can integrate. The function cannot be changed. That is, give an example for only one function for both integrate and differentiation does not change. ಯಾವುದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು integrate and differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can say that is e power x. Okay, and fifth one, differentiation of a power x. You know very well what is a power x differentiation. A power x into log a. Here, integration of a power x into dx is equal to a power x divided by log a plus c. Next, sixth one. So trigonometric functions derivatives. Sorry, differentiation of sin x is equal to cos x. So cos x की integration आके integration of cos x equal to sin x plus c into dx. Seventh one, differentiation of cos x. You know very well that is minus sin x. Integration of sin x. Here minus cos x plus c. It is inverse process of differentiation ಅಂತ already ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. Okay, next eighth one, differentiation of tan x. It is equal to secant square x. Integration of secant square x into dx equals tan x plus c. Next, ninth one, integration of cot x. Sorry, differentiation of cot x equals minus cosecant square x. So integration of cosecant square x into dx can be written as minus cot x plus c. Similarly, 10th one, differentiation of secant x. That is secant x into tan x. Integration of secant x into tan x into dx equal to secant x plus c. 11th one, differentiation of cosecant x. That is minus cosecant x into cot x. Integration of cosecant x into cot x into dx equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Okay, next 12th one, differentiation of sin inverse x equals 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. So integration of 1 by square root of 1 minus x square into dx equals sin inverse x plus c. 13th one, differentiation of cos inverse x equals minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square. So integration of square root of 1 minus x square into dx also can be written as minus cos inverse x. Okay. 14th one, differentiation of tan inverse x equals 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx equals tan inverse x plus c. 15th one, differentiation of cot inverse x equals minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That is integration of 1 by 1 plus x square can be written as minus cot inverse x plus c. 16th one, differentiation of secant inverse x 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1. That is integration of 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1 is equal to secant inverse x plus c. That is secant inverse x plus c. Next, 17th one, differentiation of cosecant inverse x equals minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus 1. Integration of 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1 can be written as minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Okay. And also some other formulas ನೀವು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಲಿತಾ ಕಲಿತಾ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಆರ್ 18th one. We can write directly, that is integration of cot x. Integration of cot x into dx equal to log modulus sin x plus c. 19th one, integration of tan x into dx equals minus log modulus cos x plus c or log modulus secant x plus c. Okay, next 20th one, integration of secant x into dx equal to log of modulus secant x plus tan x plus c. 21, integration of cosecant x into dx equal to log of modulus cosecant x minus cot x plus c. One more formula, 22nd one, integration of 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square can be written as sin inverse of x divided by a plus c. And 23rd, integration of minus 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square can be written as cos inverse of x by a plus c. 24th, integration of 1 over a square plus x square into dx can be written as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 25th minus 1 over a square plus x square into dx can be written as 1 divided by a cot inverse of x divided by a plus c. 26th integration of 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by a into secant inverse of x by a plus c. 27th one, integration of 1 divided by minus 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus a square into dx can be written as 1 by a cosecant inverse of x by a plus c. Okay na? Here 1 divided by square root of a square minus x square into dx can be written as sin inverse of x by a plus c, or minus cos inverse of x by a plus c. Similarly, 1 by a square plus x square can be written as 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, or minus 1 divided by a into cot inverse of x by a plus c, as well as 1 divided by x into square root of x square minus a square into dx can be written as 1 divided by a into secant inverse of x by a plus c, also can be written as minus 1 divided by a into cosecant inverse of x by a plus c. So, these two formulas, 27 formulas ಏನಿದೆ, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಆಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್. Find the antiderivatives of integration in the following function. We can start. Some properties of indefinite integrals is a differentiation of f of x can be written as f of x, and the integration of f dash of x into dx can be written as small f of x plus c. So the integration of f of x into dx equal to integration of g of x into dx. So we can integrate the sum of sum or subtraction of two function integration. We can write separately the integration of f of x plus integration of g of x into dx. The scalar or constant multiplication of f of x, take out the constant to outside and integrate f of x into dx. So these are the fundamental formula. You have to learn very fast. Okay. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್, ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 325 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 325 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟು ಬಿಗ್ ಒನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದು. 325 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 48 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ 48 to 50 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 8 ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 16 ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 22 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸು. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವು ಓದ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೈಯರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. So again you must be recall once again your differentiation chapter. It's very needful and helpful to your integration chapter. Okay na? Thank you.